We're always searching for a base equation, and key in this problem is it says how fast is the volume increasing. And it also says we're dealing with a cube with an edge distance. So here's our cube. And so here's our base equation, v equals x or s or e cubed. We'll take the derivative of all sides with respect to t and get dv dt equals 3x squared dx dt. Well, they tell us that the edge is increasing at a rate of 1 centimeter per second. So that must be our rate that x is changing. They tell us we're dealing with 4 inches. That's the edge distance. And so the rest is trivial. dv dt equals 3 times 16 times 1 for 48 centimeters cubed per second.